You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this medical term, this lip inflammation. If you want to learn medical terms, stay tuned until the end of the video. We've got tons more for you. Cheilitis, I know the spelling is confusing. It looks like it should be said cheilitis or cheilitis or cheilitis or cheilitis. No, forget all of those and remember this one. Cheilitis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.